Okay.
Scene one, take one. And action.
I did it. Action.
That's it.
Did I get it?
You got it. Alright. Here we go. Make sure you got a calculator handy. Objective 116. 3 examples, and we're going to go fast, and because I did this last hour and I kind of know where the right answers are, I'll skip a few and make it go even faster for us. We're doing systems. Now, those of you who think, man, systems are tough and I'm never going to get there before the EOI, I'm never going to know how to do it. Well, the point is today, you're going to learn how to do it if you don't know how to do it. Or at least you're going to learn how to find the right answer if you don't know how to do it. So, you could, those of you who are good at doing systems, do them that way. But if we aren't good at systems, or if you come to the EOI and we've slept since spring break and you forgot how to do them, or you just want to make sure you get the right answer, this is a good way to do it. It's a test-taking strategy to make sure that you definitely get the right answer. Now here's your system, right here. If you were going to solve it, would you use substitution or elimination? Substitution. Y equals, circle this, put it in right here. The way we're going to do it today, though, is we're going to take the answers and we're going to put them in for our x's and y's and see which one works. Now, I'm going to go ahead and say skip the first one. It's definitely not A. This will just save us a little bit of time. So if we're going to go put answer B into our system, and I want to show you how to use the store button. Some of us know, some of us don't know. If answer B is the right one, answer B is an ordered pair. This is x or y. X, and then this is y. So what I want you to do is put 5 in your calculator and store it as x. So everybody, with your calculators in your hands, let's go. Hit the number 5. And now the store button is way over here. You hit store and the one above it for x. So it should look like this. 5, store as x, enter. And then what are we going to store as y?
2.
So you hit 2, store, and y, you just tap this button twice. 2 stores y, enter. So that's how we store as x and we store as y. Now what we want to do is come back to the system, and we got y equals negative 2/5 x. Well, let's just put negative 2/5 x in. Don't hit enter yet, just put negative 2/5 x, using that same old x button. When you hit enter, what do we want it to be if this is the right answer? We want it to be 2. Why 2? Because y is 2. Negative 2/5 x, we want it to be 2, and it doesn't come out 2, does it? Negative 2. That means that's not the answer, so we don't even have to try. We don't even have to test this one. It's definitely not B, so moving on to C. Don't clear your calculator, though. Don't clear your calculator until you're completely done with the problem. All right, if you're going to do C, we're going to store this as
Negative 3.
As x, and then this as y. So just get really quick at doing that. Negative 3 stores x. 6/5 stores y. And you get, let's go back and try this again. But you've already typed this. When I do these, I'm not going to retype them. I'm just going to go scrolling up on my calculator. Highlight it. Bring it down. And now I'm going to hit enter. And I want it to come out this time to be what?
6/5.
6/5. I want it to come out to be
It does.
6/5. It does. Now, because this is a system, though, you must check both equations. So the first one, good. It passes. The second one, let's put in x plus 3y here. X plus 3y.
3/2.
This time you want it to come out to be a flat-out 3, and it doesn't, does it? So that means this one isn't the right answer. So by default,
It's D.
it's D. Now, just watch. I'll do it really quick. But we're going to store these two as x and y. Negative 15 stores x. 6 stores y. I'm going to come check this one. Before I hit enter, I want to make sure I know what I want this to be. I want this to be 6. And it is. Then I'm just going to scroll up and I'm going to pull the other one. And this time when I hit enter, it better be 3. And it is. So that's why that one works. Okay, cross out A on this one as well. Well, no, it's not A. Save yourself some time. If you were going to do this system, would you use substitution or elimination? If we were going to actually work it, those of us who can work it.
Elimination.
Elimination, because we got stacks. Maybe you want to make this 21 and this negative 21. Maybe that's what you want. Maybe you want to make this 30 and this negative 30. Maybe that's what you want to do. Maybe you don't want to do that. Maybe you want to use this new technique, which means let's take these answers and put them in that system. So 2 stores is what?
X.
2 stores x, and
5.
negative 5 stores y.
That's 5.
Right there.
Negative.
Okay. Yeah, negative 5. Yeah. 2 stores x, negative 5 stores y. All I got to do is put the left side in, and when I do, what do I want it to be?
Negative 39.
Yeah. If it's anything but, move on to the next
Nope.
problem.
It ain't right.
It ain't right. So cross that out and move on. Now remember, if the first one works, you must test the second one. 8 and 4. 8 stored as x. Negative 4 stored as y. I've already typed this business. I'm looking for the one of these that comes out to be 39. I want this to be 39. No. So now again, you already know the answer is D. 6 and negative 3. 6 stores x, negative 3 stores y. Just to make sure, just some peace of mind if you are on your EOI, I would just test it anyway. You have all day to take that test. Test it anyway. This better come out to 39. Or negative 39, yeah, and it does. So that one works. And if you did the bottom equation, which was negative 6x minus 7y, it better come out to negative 15, and it does. Okay, last one. This is what I want to see happen. There's 4 answers here, and there's 4 people at each table. Let's go with Joby. You go A, you do B, you do C, you do D. Do A, do B, do C, and do D. Store the numbers. So if you're A, store negative 7 as x, negative 9 as y. If you're B, store negative 13 as x, negative 10 as y. If you're C, store negative 9 as x, negative 8 as y. And if you're D, store negative 10 as x, negative 6 as y. Once you've got that stuff stored, all you got to do is put this in. Put this in, and you are looking for this to come out to be negative 15. Do more than one of you have it? Joe, did you get it?
It's 5.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I put it in, it's 5.
So then
A's not it.
I want you to say, no, I didn't get it. Did you get it?
I didn't get mine.
Yeah. Did you get it?
Say what?
If when you put it in, did you end up getting negative 15?
Yes.
So yours worked on C? Did yours work?
I got negative 34.
So C worked. So did back there, did you get it?
No.
Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you get it? So then it has to be C. If C is the only one that works, then you know this one's going to work as well, too. So it was negative 9 stored as x, negative 8 stored as y, and if you put 7x, you won't zoom in too much.
Yeah, you have to.
7x plus, or 7x minus 6y, you should get your negative 15. And if you put this in as well, negative 2x minus 2y. All right, this works. There's only one disadvantage to this method. If you like this method, it's great. There's only one disadvantage. That is, if some of your answers say, like say you had a couple answers and then this one said no solution and this one said many solutions, this method won't tell you which it is out of no solution to many. It will tell you which ordered pair it is, but if you have parallel lines, you're going to have to try something else. So this only works if there is an actual one solution. And a lot of times there is. Do we like that method?
Yeah.
It's for those who aren't that great at systems to still have a chance of getting the right answer. And that is it. Lots of time. Let's go ahead and get started. You have 38 minutes on this last day of the 9 weeks. Get as much done as you